Did you wish to launch a business by 2025 but not know where to start? You are right here. Whether your experience with entrepreneurship is fresh or seasoned, we will be sharing 5 of the best businesses ideal for the forthcoming year. We will dissect each one into basic, understandable stages so you know exactly how to get going. All set to identify your next great prospect? Let's begin to watch the video as the business of your dreams could be only a click away. Number 1. RV rental. Beginning an RV rental business is a great opportunity to benefit from. You lease or own an RV and lend it to someone wishing to enjoy the freedom of the open road without having to pay for their own car. RVs are particularly well liked for road trips, outdoor activities, and family holidays. So they are a great enterprise for 2025, when people are seeking other means of transport following the epidemic. Nevertheless, the adaptability of this business really distinguishes it. Starting does not require a fleet of RVs. Starting with only one, you can rent it using websites like Outdoorsy or RV Share, where RV owners may post their vehicles for hire. These systems handle insurance, payment processing, and marketing, therefore freeing you to concentrate on the rental process itself. You must likely start with wondering, how much does an RV cost? Well, the first outlay can differ. Although buying a new RV would cost anywhere between $50,000 and $100,000, that is not your only choice. Starting small with a used RV or perhaps renting one yourself will help you to gradually expand your business. One further choice is to team with RV owners ready to let their vehicles be rented and divide the earnings. You can make more if you have more RVs, but beginning small also has great value. You should next give some thought on how to safeguard your RV and renters. Either you can use insurance plans provided by the platforms or buy insurance personally. Usually, these policies cover the renter as well as you for mishaps or damage that might happen while the RV is rented. You might be wondering now, how do I stand out in the competitive RV rental market? Here, success mostly depends on providing a remarkable customer experience. You might provide extra services including variable rental terms, roadside help, bedding, cooking equipment, or even outdoor items like kayaks or bikes. Maintaining a clean, well-kept RV is absolutely vital since clients will write evaluations that can help or destroy your business. Giving discounts to returning guests and customized travel advice for places will foster loyalty. Number 2. Consignment. Starting a consignment business is a wise, low-risk approach to earn money while helping people find new homes or clear their gently used goods. Consignment, put simply, is the sale of other people's items for them, from which you retain a commission percentage. It's a win-win scenario. Without having to buy inventory ahead of time, people get to clean out their closets or storage spaces, and you get paid for selling their stuff. What qualifies this business concept for 2025? Well, the market for used items is rising as people keep embracing sustainability. Particularly with younger generations, consumers are more aware of their expenditure, and buying second-hand goods has grown in appeal. People are actively looking for ways to get quality stuff without paying full price, from vintage furniture to high-end clothes to electronics to baby items. There are various methods one may launch a consignment business. Although you may also open an online consignment shop, the most often used method is building up a physical store where clients may drop off their goods. Selling used items online has never been more simple thanks to websites like Poshmark, ThreadUp, and Depop. An internet consignment business's big advantage is that it lets you reach more people. How do I find people who want to consign their items with me, you might be wondering. Building trust is first of all essential. Start by presenting reasonable commission rates and advertising your offerings on neighborhood associations or social media. Key is developing rapport with your vendors so that they will come back with more products and suggest you to others. For those with lots to sell, you may also begin with providing a clean-out service. You'll be able to take a bigger commission on the transaction in return for helping them price and arrange their goods. Choosing what kinds of products you wish to specialize in is another crucial factor. By use of a niche market, you can differentiate yourself and draw the appropriate clients. You might concentrate, for instance, on selling vintage items, secondhand electronics, or luxury apparel. Number 3. Sell stuff online. One of the most easily accessible enterprises you may start in 2025 is online sales of goods. This business can help almost anyone, whether your goal is to start a full-fledged e-commerce business or clear your house. People are constantly searching for bargains. Sites like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Amazon present the ideal chance to offer practically anything for sale. One of the beauties of this business is its adaptation. Selling things you no longer need, such as furniture, books, gadgets, or clothing. You can start by confidence, will allow you to increase your offers and perhaps begin looking for items to profitably sell. Popular products range from trendy devices to vintage relics to specialty things appealing to particular groups. Knowing what to market is absolutely essential for success here. What should you concentrate on? One should look for a product with demand, but not overabundance. If you're selling something fashionable, do your research to discover how many others are selling it and find ways to make your items stand out, whether that's by better images, thorough descriptions, or a unique selling point. All set to delve further into online marketing of your goods? Stay tuned for the next business idea. We will then discuss selling techniques. Number 4. Offer free delivery. One great approach to setting your business apart in 2025 is providing free delivery. Whether your business offers other services, a local delivery service, or products sold online, consumers find great attraction in the concept of free delivery. Convenience rules the world, hence consumers enjoy the idea of having their goods delivered immediately to their house without additional expenses. The drawback is that you still have to make it work financially. If free delivery compromises your earnings, you cannot provide it. The solution is to incorporate delivery's expenses into your product pricing. If you are selling something for $50, for instance, you can modify your price to cover delivery expenses without drawing too clear-cut attention to the customer. Many companies also provide free shipping over a specific order value, which motivates consumers to make more purchases. Providing free delivery will also help your clients to develop loyalty and confidence. People are more likely to finish their purchase knowing they won't be slapped with unanticipated shipping costs. It also enhances the whole consumer experience, which increases their likelihood of returning. Number 5. Virtual interior design. One exciting business concept fit for 2025 is virtual interior design. The need for well-designed, useful places is higher than it has ever been as more people work from home and spend more time indoors. The worst part is that not everyone has the means to pay for an upscale in-person interior designer. Virtual interior design then comes in really helpful. This business concept lets you deal with customers from anywhere in the globe without ever leaving your home. Using video conversations and internet resources, you will offer design consultations, mood boards, furniture and decor item suggestions, and even 3D simulations. This business has beauty in that little investment is needed. All you truly need is a computer, design software, and a strong awareness of design ideas. The most amazing aspect, though, is you might get going right now. Neither a physical store nor inventory are necessary. People trying to make their houses more comfortable, fashionable, and functional are driving a tremendous demand for reasonably priced design services. Building trust and presenting your knowledge on social media, a portfolio, or by providing free advice and tactics will help you succeed here in attracting possible customers. In a market this competitive, then, how can one distinguish out? It's crucial to specialize first. You might like to concentrate on a certain niche, such as modern farmhouse design, sustainable building, or compact spaces. To accommodate various client budgets, you may also provide tiered pricing. While some clients might only need a few design ideas or room layouts, others might wish a complete redesign. And then what about attracting your first customers? Starting with your personal network, you may offer your services at a reduced price in return for portfolio materials and testimonials. Showcase before and after changes on social media to establish an online presence. Alternatively, run some advertisements to spread the news. In this field, word of mouth is quite powerful. As you get good ratings, your clientele will naturally expand. The scalability of virtual interior design is its charm. Once you have a solid reputation, you can grow by providing extra services including bespoke furniture designs, virtual shopping consultations, or even group seminars for do-it-yourselfers. This finishes our top 5 business concepts for 2025. These concepts should inspire our video. Tell us in the comments below which you want most to attempt. Or if you have any questions on starting,